Good morning. Today we're driving to Laguna Niguel, where we're going to stop at the Thousand Steps Beach and take the trail to the sea caves. And we're going at about 3 p.m. because that is when the tide will be low. Now is the time to go because when the tide is high, the sea caves are filled with water and it becomes very dangerous. So we don't want to do it then. They say the rocks are slippery, so we've got some good shoes on, and this should be a lot of fun. I have been wanting to do this for a very long time, and I'm excited to see what it looks like. So come with us, and we will show you those sea caves. See you on the trail. It's not necessarily easy to find, but if you look for that house by 9th Street, you'll find the staircase going down. There are over 200 steps going down, and they're also very steep, so be sure to hold on to the handrail. There is a single restroom at the bottom and places to wash your feet. If you would subscribe to our channel and hit the bell for notifications, we would be so grateful. Here are the sea caves we had hoped to go in. At this point, we're not quite sure what's going to happen. I'm trying to make my way to the entrance of the sea caves, but I don't get to go very far. The rocks are covered with moss and seaweed, and I don't see us getting in there anytime today. Well, folks, the conditions are too hazardous today. The tide is not low the way I hoped it would be, so we're not going to be able to go in. So this is Thousand Steps Beach. It's about 400 yards of sand and crashing waves and tide pools, and of course, the cave. As David always says, I wouldn't want to be here when the big one hits. So the tide is definitely getting lower, but I'm afraid this is as close as we're going to get. But David brought his drone, so stick around and you're going to see far more than you might expect. Here we go. Watching this sometimes I really wish I was a bird. let's start getting a little closer. This looks really fun to go into. Look at all the extra caves and caverns. I wish we could have gone in. And now we're going around the side of the caves. There's quite a bit beyond there. Well guys, it's time to head back. Back up the 1,000-step beach and then back up that super steep staircase. I actually counted, and there are places to rest every 19 steps. And trust me, I used them all.
Made it! Woohoo! Back!
So yes, you can stop now. Stop now or I will pound you.